Hi, in this video we're going to look at how to set up pronunciation task 1, and we are going to do it differently than we have in the past. So if all goes well, and because it's the first time there are usually some obstacles, but if all goes well, this is how. So you go to assignments, and you'll see that here all the graded assignments are here. So you'll go to pronunciation task 1 here and edit assignment. So you'll see that the assignment name is here, the points, and the description is already here. So it says, in this assignment, you will be given a paragraph to read and record. Below, your teacher will post the paragraph, as well as the voice thread in which to record the paragraph. Delete this last part because we're going to actually not use a voice thread. These instructions were written at another time, so you'll see what we will do. Okay, but you will be assessed on these minimal pairs. Your teacher will make this paragraph available to you 1 week before the due date. You may take it to coffee time, and you may use and change this here just an online dictionary, just to match what we had in the other, in the paper assignment, in the PDF. All right. Now we're going to click here, file upload. And this is where you can drag and drop the actual PDF. You can see it there. Add. Okay. And you'll see here evaluation and feedback. There is a rubric that's already attached to this assignment. So now we're going to hit save and close. Okay, and make sure you click the little I so that it's visible. Now we're going to look at the student view to see what the student would see. Go back to here, assignments. Okay, this is what the student would see. So pronunciation task 1, and here's the attachment, right? So if they click on pronunciation task 1, they see the instructions that we have here, and here's the PDF, right? Now, here's the rubric, wonderfully here, right, ready for us. And when you scroll down, you'll see that here you can video record it directly, which is what we're going to ask the students to do. So I'm going to do a little sample. All right, hello. So I could say, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Say, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. And I think, oh no, that's terrible. I don't like it. So I cancel, and then I can try it again. So I will say, hello, this is my pronunciation profile. They should not greet, they should read the text. But then we think it's good. Hello, this is my pronunciation profile. Add. So this is what the student would do, right? Title, I would give it, you know, pronunciation profile, and then name of student. You don't really need a description, but the student can send a little message if they want. Add. Okay, it's here now, and we click submit. Okay, you can see, you know, there it is, and you heard a little pling. That is because I, as the teacher, just got a notification, okay, that of this particular submission. So let me go back, and I'm going to hit done. Now I'm going to go back now to teacher view so that you can see what you as the teacher will see. We go to assignments, and you hover over it, you see view pronunciation task 1 submissions. Okay, submissions. All right, and now we can see one student has submitted their video. So we click, and here we can see,
hello, this is my pronunciation profile. They should not read, they should read the text.
Fantastic.
So then we think it's...
So here, and then you have the rubric right here. Okay, and if you see it, like you hover over and it gives the descriptions. So let's say 5 here, not so good here, 4 here. Okay, and it gives a grade. You can leave overall feedback or even audio record or video record feedback, and then publish. All right, so that is how we are going to do this assignment. Hopefully it works out without any problems, and good luck. Please let me know how it goes.